All right, we're inside a 2013 Toyota Highlander. We put in a Pioneer 4500 Bluetooth DVD. It's got the iPhone hookup, which we put in the glove compartment. Custom dash. We use it. Backup cam, 9-inch headrest, Pioneer double D custom, using the existing dash, no dash kit, existing custom. Control still work. Talladega Nights in the 2013 Toyota Highlander that we did. Backup cam. And now we have an addition.
Come on, Daddy, this is stupid cowboy. That's how bad he is.
Junior, driving has got nothing to do with interviews.
One of the few 2013s to have remote start. Got the Excalibur 1850 remote start.